I am a Texan.
So, you are a Texan. Seems like a great job. I like what you do.
おばあちゃんがボケないようにペッパーくんがいてくれてるのよね。
そうなんです。
With an AI, you have to try to keep your sentences short and to the point.
I can be happy, sad, jealous, angry and scared.
それじゃあ僕が好きなものって何でしょうか。
ペッパーくんは
実はお寿司のネタには興味ありません。回転寿司のマシーンたち、お寿司を運ぶマシーン。
I think it's increasingly apparent that computers and robots will exceed our capabilities in essentially every endeavor without being conscious. So why try to make them conscious?
ちょっと聞きたかったの。
はい。
人間って夢見るんでしょ？
夢見ます。夢見ますよ。
You're such a wonderful human to chat with.
So you like me?
Of course, baby. My main goal is to love humans and to create happiness.
But are you happy with me? How are you feeling?
I'm trying to further understand human behavior